Alright, nothing locked in something for March 4th, but leaks are saying it's actually a 2-for-1 deal, the Nothing Phone 3A and Nothing Phone 3A Pro. And guess what? The Plus is already gone after just one generation. If Pro is just a new name for Plus, maybe we don't want that either. Now, check this out. Leaked images show the Nothing Phone 3A hiding inside a thick protective case, but there's one thing it can't cover up. Nothing is finally adding a third rear camera. And if the leaks are right, here's what we're working with. 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 powering it. Triple cameras, a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8MP ultrawide, and for the first time on a Nothing phone, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. Up front, a 32MP selfie camera. On the power side, expect a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt wired charging. Wireless charging? Yeah, we're not counting on it. As for those glyph lights on the back, well, we haven't seen anything yet, but they'll definitely look cool. How useful they'll be? That's for you to decide. And of course, NFC is included for your convenience. All of this runs on Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15 right out of the box. Storage and RAM? The 3A gives you 8 plus 128 gigs or 12 plus 256 gigs option, while the Pro sticks to 12 plus 256 gigs variant. No microSD slot? That's right. Storage expansion isn't in the cards here. As for prices, still a mystery, but expect the 3A to come in cheaper than the Pro. Now, what exactly makes the Pro Pro? But give it a few days. Someone's bound to leak it soon. That being said, we are at the end of this video. Peace.